Hello, everyone. My name is Andres Jones, the author of Rebuilding the Gates. And I want to talk to you today about why some people stay broke. Do you know there's a difference between being broke and being broken in spirit? Being broke means you're lacking something, you're missing something, whether it's money, wealth, or your necessities. But a broken spirit means that you are humble and you're ready for a change. You're ready and know that somebody needs to help you get to where you want to be. So why do people stay broke? Well, one reason people stay broke is because of discipline. People like to start things a lot of times. They have ideas and creations that they try to implement and put together, and then they don't get the results they want right away, and they just decide to quit. They decide to give up and do something else or go back to their old job. Well, let me tell you something. You will never be rich at a job. You will never get rich or wealthy at a job. A job is going to limit what they pay you, what they can offer you. And you cannot determine and get wealthy by working on a 9 to 5 job. You have to do something that is going to over exceed what you were getting at that job. How do you do that? Well, starting a business. Starting a business will give you the income that you're looking for if you stay disciplined in it and work it just like you do getting up to go to work every day. You get up, you get your kids off to school if you have them, you go to work, you come home, you have dinner, you go to bed and wake up and do the next same thing the next day. That's a routine. And that if that was how you were going to become wealthy, you would have been wealthy already. So number one is discipline. Number two, resilience. You have to fight through this. This is not something that's going to be easy. Do you know there are forces out here that are out here to stop you and oppose what you're doing? They are here to tell you you're not any good, that you cannot achieve what you want, that you don't have the potential, you don't have the skills, you can't remember enough, your brain is not good enough to do this. All kind of things that go through your head to stop you from moving forward and working in your destiny. You have to be resilient. You have to stick in there. You have to stay in the fight, and you have to continue to work it until something happens. Opposition is going to come. And anything you try to do that's positive, that's benefiting for others, that will increase you and your income, there's going to be some forces that's going to come against you. Just already accept the fact that you will get opposition. But the only way you can get through opposition is by being resilient and staying in the fight, staying into that business, staying in whatever you're trying to do to move forward and to get the income and the wealth that you're looking for. Another reason people stay broke, they're comfortable. People are comfortable where they are. They don't feel the need to go any more or any higher than they are. If they get a promotion, they're fine with that. If they get a small raise of 3% a year, they're okay with that. All they're doing is offsetting the inflation every year. So you're not increasing. Prices go up, your wages go up the same, you're still at the same place. So don't stop being comfortable. Do something that's outside the box. Do something that nobody else is doing. Find a problem that people are having and solve that problem. These are 3 ways that people stay broke. Now, there are several others, and I'll discuss them on another video. But I wanted to encourage you. Do something different with your life. Do something that's never been done before. Be the first in your family to accomplish something positive over just working a job. Jobs are good. They're training grounds. They're supposed to teach you the things that you need to use to start your own business or to start something to help other people. But jobs were not meant for you to stay on forever. Jobs were not meant for you to sit on for 40 years and retire. You have a gift. You have potential. And you can do almost anything you want to do in this life. And remember, you only have one life. So why not make the best of it? Why not be able to live the way you want to, travel where you want to go, buy things that you want to buy, help people that you want to help at any time? That's real wealth. That's when you're working in your purpose and your gift. And that's when you'll be the most satisfied and fulfilled. A gift will never leave you. Your gift is going to go to the grave with you. It's unfortunate that the wealthiest place in the world is not the gold mines. It's not the places that you might think. The wealthiest place in the world is the cemetery. There in the cemetery lies millions of people who have potential to change this world, who had the next invention, who had the next book, who had the potential to help make an impact on people's lives, and they died before they did it. Don't be one of those people. Work your gift, use your gift, and you will be prosperous and happy and fulfilled for the rest of your life. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.